Hello everyone, welcome to Photoshop Fun episode. This is Somnath from Incredible Insight. After watching the video, if you like it, then please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get more update. This is our model and press Ctrl or Command J for Windows Mac to copy the layer, image layer. Go to filter, render and choose cloud. Then put it into a blending mode. Then again go to the filter, render. This time you choose different cloud, this one. You can choose any blending mode and press Ctrl or Command T for 3 transform to set the images, to set this effect on the image. Okay. If anything wrong, you can always go to the previous one and again set it. Wrap it, right click on this area and choose wrap and set according to your image. Then go to again filter and apply different cloud. Just need to see. Press Ctrl plus J or Command J to duplicate this layer and again apply different clouds mode and set it. Before and after. Then create a black mask. Press Ctrl and click on the button on this two layer cloud layer. And set foreground color white and choose the brush with the size anything. I choose very low with the opacity medium and paint it. You see the effect, and this one, and then do with the second layers. Then create a new layer for the cloud and different cloud. Press Ctrl or Command Shift plus N. And again go to filter, render, cloud, and put it on overlay blending mode. You can use any blending mode to see what is better for your image. and then again go to filter. This time you choose different cloud. Press Ctrl plus T or Command T for free transform and set it. Then right click on this area and wrap it. Then put it in a overlay or color dodge blending mode. Then create a black mask. Press Alt and click on the mask button and paint it with a white foreground color. I just showing you very quickly. Then press Shift plus Control or Command plus N to create a new layer and name it color. You can choose any name and paint it with a color. See which one is better for the image. Blue one maybe, and very soft brush with very low opacity, less than 20%. You can see the blue effect here. Then you need to blend it. You can choose any blending mode. It's totally depend. It may vary with the images, so you can try it with different mode and then play with curve. You can see which one is better for your image and suitable. Okay, this need to be high. Put it close to. You can see the nice effect of the bluish effect here. Then you may blur it. Okay, let's choose motion blur, very low or high, which one is better. Okay, now that's final. Before and after, you can see the effect and nothing else. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, then please consider subscribe. Thank you very much.